people of Britain, for far too long, we've been imagining the homes we want. We've watched the tutorials, asked the group chats. We've even taken advice from someone called SpannerDaddy_88. We spent hours debating paint colors so similar, scientists couldn't tell them apart. You saw Mandy's post about her new paneling, and you thought, yeah, that's annoyingly nice, actually.
Mandy.
Today, we can tackle any of it. Except boilers, Colin. Don't touch gas, mate. Get a plumber in. Our homes deserve so much more than dreaming. Today, we do!
You can do it when you B&Q it.